Guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comments, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you're a new viewer, definitely go to our channel and watch all the videos. And if you're liking all these learning and live trading videos, hit that subscribe button like this, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get all the notifications whenever I upload a video. And for the ones who wants additional services or training, WhatsApp only 7892652481. And for the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel, open your account in Zerodha or upstox. If you see free account in Angel Broking and upstox you have, and Zerodha also is having an account, but you have to pay some money for that. But so if you're opening that account successfully, you can share your client ID and my team will be adding it to my secret Telegram channel, where we'll be discussing more about learning only. All right. So today in my secret Telegram channel, we were discussing about the market which was going sideways, okay, range bound market, and also we were talking about McDowell stock, which we were looking just an observation that if it can break upper circuit of 633, and finally it broke 633 and 648, 662. Now it has reached almost 658. Okay, so yeah, so basically you can see how I took a trade today on this particular stock and how I expected the stock will break, and finally it broke. We were discussing and learning the same also in Telegram. Just that is only for learning, not for buying or selling recommendations only. I just tell them to observe, and finally it broke. The market broke the circuit, and new upper circuit of 662 has been created. Anyways, you can watch the video.
So I just taken a trade in McDowell around 626.01. The stock has been very volatile today, considering the market is going a bit sideways in the same range. So this stock kept going for the day. It was a gap up, but still the stock tend to go up, and it has almost reached 627, which is in the peak, because if you see 633 is the upper circuit. So the stock, when it comes to upper circuit, yes, it is a big resistance. It goes away from it, diverts away from it. Later on, if it has a chance, if market little bit supports, definitely it can break the upper circuit. So that is what I'm trying to see in this particular stock, or else 1 rupee 80 paisa or 2 rupees will be the target for me. So 628 will be my target, but let's wait and watch whether the stock can go towards at least some 631, 632, somewhere there, so that stock goes till there and we have a movement up to 5 rupees to 6 rupees. That is 1% movement. Just expecting that. And if it is breaking the upper circuit, then it's a good advantage. It will create a new upper circuit. So during that time also stock tends to go a little bit up. So if you see, Nifty is in the same range. If you see, went up, went down till here, went up till here, and it came down till there. Okay, so same range, and again going up. So it is going sideways, and like the budget is coming this Saturday, that is Feb 1st. So till then you can see some volatility happening. So beginners, stay away from the market or be careful during this period. You can observe definitely, but if you're putting money, be very careful. Market will be acting weird. So you can see market reversing suddenly, and this is going sideways, but sometimes market will fall, or sometimes markets will spike up. Many things can happen during this period, so be very careful when you trade during this period.
So the stock has come up to 629, and like I told you, it has gone close to 630, 631, that range. So 630 it has gone. The upper circuit is 633, so definitely there is a strong resistance in this particular area. Hopefully, if it gets a chance, it can break. Just an speculation, okay, but market, no, went up, came down, went up, it didn't hit the green super trend, it reversed. So market is little bit down. My stock needs to get some advantage from market also. 629. Need some moment. RSI is already in the peak, so that is a problem right now. So we need a good amount of buyers. If you see, we have around 7 lakh buyers orders and 2 lakh 44,000 sellers order. So in that way it is strong, but just that RSI is in the peak already. Market is not that great in positive side. Market is neutral today, and it is going sideways. So definitely I'm not getting an advantage. So if you see, the stock went to 632, just like how we predicted. It went near the area of upper circuit of 633.25. So 631, 632 range, it has already gone. Okay, so can it break the strong resistance of 633? Yeah, that is a big question now, because RSI again, it came to 65. Hardly 5 to 10 points again it can push up. Will it create a new upper circuit? Stock is 9.44% up, so close to 10% would be the upper circuit, right? So yeah, can the stock go about 10% today? Need to be very careful during this period of budget, because stocks will be very volatile. Plan your capital when you're using during this period. Okay, 632 just touched. A little bit of, okay, 2000 quantities, that's gone. Cool. 633 now, exactly near that upper circuit. Can it break the upper circuit? It could not stay in that area of 632. There's a sudden push, because it is a resistance area, like I've told you. Alright, so I was between my personal training class, so I couldn't record the video. But anyways, when I was teaching my student, we were having a chat on this particular stock about the upper circuit breakout, and it finally broke the upper circuit like I expected. 633 broke out and it went, and we were talking the same, that new upper circuit will be created around 662. So the stock has a chance to go up halfway to the upper circuit at least. So many times it happens, so as per my experience. So I was just telling him, and finally the stock went halfway around 646.90. so it is a great movement. I just exited in between the class, because I didn't want to take risk, because I'm taking class, I may forget the trade, or what if the trade reverse after hitting this one. So as soon as it broke the upper circuit, I exited my trade at 634.40, and yeah, finally the class is done, so I thought I'll just sum it up. So finally made a profit. So I have not applied too much of capital in this particular trade, because budget is going to come. So market will be very volatile, and stocks which are up can go down, or which is going down suddenly can reverse. So during that time, there are chances where people lose 100% of the capital, and I've seen so much of, and I've experienced this long ago, of losing a lot of capitals during this budget time. So be very careful. Big profits and big losses will be there during this period. So plan your capital during this period. Once the period is done, when the volatility has gone, then slowly you can start with your full capital. But now think over a capital. That is one small advice I will give, so that you don't lose your capital just in one week. People can lose your capital also. So be very careful during this period. I'm just telling from my experience only. So use little bit of capital in such a way that you are connected to the market to see what's happening, but you don't take full risk in the market. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're liking these videos, then hit that like button, and more learning videos to come. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.